Hello, in this video I will show you how to make page vertical in PowerPoint, or you can turn your slides into vertical. So it's pretty simple and easy. You need to click on the design tab on the upper menu bar, and on the right side you will see that there is a slide size. Click on that, and there you can see that two options. One is the 4:3 and the other is widescreen 16:9. If you click on the standard 4:3, and here you can see that the maximize and ensure fit, so you can maximize it, and you can see that the slide size is limited, but it's still not vertical. So if you again click on that slide size and make it wide, and again this is the wide screen, but our question is to make it vertical. Click on that and go to the custom slide size, and here you can need to click on the portrait. When you click on that, you can see the width and height is changed. You can change according to your requirement also. And now click on OK, and again you need to click on the maximize. Click on that, and here you can see that your slide is vertical and your page is vertical now. So in that way you can go on and change your slide according to your requirements. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.